Hello friends, welcome back. So in this session we will learn about the map collection API. So from this diagram you can see very clearly map is not the subtype of collection. Map is not the subtype of collection. Map is a standalone interface that is inherited into shorted map, navigable map and concurrent map. And map has this direct implementation that is called hash table and properties. And that is also hash table is also extending the feature of dictionary, because these three are the legacy: dictionary, hash table and properties. That is a legacy classes that no one is using. We have to use only this hash map, linked hash map and tree map. And you can use concurrent hash map or concurrent skip list map if you want to use your map as a thread safe, because these are the thread safe. If multiple threads are accessing, they will get the constant result. And map, hash map and linked hash map we can use, because that is the widely used as a map implementation map collection implementation. So exactly what is the map? If we see the definition, map is an object that maps key to the value, means that will be key value pair. Data will be stored in key value pair. We will see that one. A map cannot contain duplicate key. Yes, obviously key cannot be duplicate, but value can be duplicate, no issue, but key should be unique always. Each key can map to at most one value. If you have used hash table, you are already familiar with the basics of map. What is hash map? Hash table. Hash table is nothing but a data storage techniques only that store the value instead of index. We call that as that is key. Instead of index, we call that index as a key, and respective value is the value for that key. So we call them key value pair. And how that value the key is founded? The key we have to found using some hash function. There are n number of hash functions that we can use to create a hash table. We will see that when we will start the data structure, but currently just you keep in mind hash table is the implementation for map only, because hash table also store the value as a key value pair. But this is the legacy implementation. We should not use this one. Other than that one, hash map and linked hash map we can use, or we can use tree map, no issue. That is fine. And that hash map and linked hash map also using hash table only to store the value, but they have given some other implementation. Okay, so so here are the some main points of a map interface. One key value pair called a map and tree. One entry means one key value pair is called one entry. Always unique in map. The key is always unique in map. Map is not the subtype of collection interface. That also we have seen. Map is not the subtype of a collection interface. Map entry will be stored in entry object. Internally, this hash table is using some different techniques, but hash map inside, how exactly this hash map is storing the value? Because it use an it use an entry object. Entry object is where entry object is available under this map interface. Inner interface is provided. Entry is an inner interface in map interface. Inside this map interface, one inner interface is provided that is defining entry object, and using that entry object we can store value, key and value pair. Okay, so here are the some of the methods that is defined into map interface: size, empty, contains, contain value, get value, put value, remove, put all, clear, key set, values. We will see this one by one. So let's see that first. So here this is a hash, this is a map. We have created a map. Using any implementation we can do, no issue. We can use we can give any implementation, no issue. Any implementation we can use. Either we can use hash map or we can use a linked hash map. That is also fine. No issue. That is up to our choice which one the implementation we wanted to use. Okay, we will see the difference also. So here we have used put method first. Put means what exactly the put method is doing. Put means key and value. Associate the specified value with the specified key in map. If a map is previously containing a map, suppose how exactly it is. Put means we want to add these key value pair into this map. So using put method we will add. So what we have added? We have added these four entries. One entry is name is Rohit Kumar, date of birth is 15 February 1994, email is this one, and this is the mobile number. This is some random number. I have taken any just a random number. This is not any person detail. Okay, so here if you see we have added four entries using put, and using get we can we can get the value. Even put also returning the value. If you want to use you can use, no issue. If you don't want to use, currently we are not using, but it will return a value of a string v. That is also fine. But it is not required. What it will return, what will be the value of v value will hold 15th February 1994 only. If you want to use that one, that also you can use, but that is not required actually, because we already have this value, because when we are setting that in that time we already have the value. Okay, so this is fine. We have used the put. If we want to use get, then how we can use that one? System dot out dot println, using this println map dot get, using map dot get. We have to give here key. Using this key we can get the value. Any key we can give. Yes. This one just I am printing, I'm just printing this one. If you comment this print statement, you will see only the one value will come now. Yes, so 15th February 1994. Okay, so this one is get. Using this get we can get the value of that is mapped to a specific key. Remove, and here entry set entry set values, so many are there. Wait, contain key get contain value. It will check whether this particular value is containing or not. Suppose is empty, and first we will see the size and is empty. Size and is empty. Size is empty. Okay, these many methods. So what will be the size of this map? How many keys are associated into this map? 4 keys are there, so it means size is 4. Size is 4. Is empty? No, it is not empty, so it means it is a false. If it is empty, means it will give true. It will give true. Now size is 0. Size is 0 means is empty. Yes, is empty. And the next one is contain key. Contains key. Yeah, this key is present into this map. Yes, name is present into this. Name is present into this map. So it will return true. Yeah, name is present. But if I give name 1 or something, so now this key is not present into, so it is giving false. It is giving false. So this is meaning of a contain key. In the same way, contain value is empty, we have already checked. Return true if the map contains no key value mapping. Okay, contain value also we can verify in the same way. Suppose this value is present. Yeah, this value, this date of birth is present, so it is a true. But if I give here something like that, in that case it will give false, because this value is not present. Currently this is a string, so that's why I can give anything. Okay, remove. If we want to remove a particular entry, if we want to remove a particular entry, we can remove that one also using this get input. We have already seen. Remove a mapped from the is present. If it is present, then only it will remove. So how we will know whether we have removed this one? After removing, it will return the name. It will return the name. So that's why I am printing that name. Sorry, I am printing the map downside. Suppose if I print this map here, currently in this map 2 times we have to print, I think, before to remove and after removing we can print. So here I am printing. I have added these 4 entry and I am just printing. After the printing, I am removing the name and I am printing again. So you will see. So before, if we are printing, there are 4 keys. Name is also present, but after that one I have removed the name. So after removing the name, what I am getting? Only the 3 keys: date of birth, mobile number and email. Name is removed from that map. Okay. So this is remove. If we do clear, what will happen? If we do clear in the sense, it will remove all the mappings from this map. All the keys that are associated with this map will be removed from this map. It will be removed. So if you see the output, the second time when I am trying to print, no records is there. It's removed. Okay. So this is the meaning of a clear. Print key. Suppose key and values. If we want to get all the keys, how we can get? Suppose key set and values. Key set and values. Using key set and values, we can get the only keys. Key will be collected into set of a generic type. Means whatever the type of key we have specified, only that type of a set it will return. If we want to get the values, we can get that also. Keys and values, if we want to get, we can get. So here first I am printing key. If you see print key, we have used key set here, and in the print value we have used values method. That values method is returning a collection of a string type that contains all the values, and keys contains the set only, means key don't have any duplicate element. That's why it is returning directly a set. But here it doesn't know what should be the type, so it is taking into collection only. That can be list also. So accordingly the implementation it is automatically taking. Okay, so here if you run this one, and you will see all the keys, first time all the values I am printing, keys I am printing, value I am printing. This is 2 time actually that map we have printed. Okay. The next one is, if you want to get entry set, that also you can get. Entry set means, entry set how, that will return a, suppose currently I think it is not there. If you want to see the entry set, we can see that also. Suppose map dot entry set. So what it will return? It will return a set of map dot entry of a string, because entry set is again the one interface that is available into map only, map interface. So you can iterate this now. If we iterate, we can use directly for loop, no issue. For loop of what type exactly? Map entry, map in, okay, and entry set. That's it, and you can print. So here if you use me dot get key and get value method is there. Using get one, you can get the key, you can get the value, no issue. Suppose me dot get key plus me dot get value, and this is a type of string and string. That's it. And now if you run, you will see now it is printing in the same order. Also you can get the entry set also if you want to get entry set. So inside map interface, one inner interface is defined, that is entry, that has this method get key and get value, so you can use that also, no issue. Okay, entry set you can do. Get or default means, get or default, suppose so this is get or default. Suppose from this map I want to get the value of a key name. If the value of key if the key name, the key whose value is name is present, then it will return the value of that key. If this key is not available into that map, then it will return this value. See, first time name key is available. So what is the value for that key? Rohit Kumar. But name 1, this key is not present. So this key is not present. In that case, the default value will come. So this mean of get or default. This is the meaning of get or default. For each also you can apply. I think above how many methods that we have already seen. Put all, that is nothing but, see, remove that we have seen. Put all is nothing but you can get supply any other map, and from that map all the key value, all the entries will be added into this current map, from in the same way how we have used in collection. In the collection we have add all method is there. Using that add all method, we can specify any other collection, and from that collection all the element will be added into this collection. So in the same way, in the map also you can supply another map, and from that map all the all the entries will be added into this map. This map means current map only, on which object you are applying this put all. Okay, clear. We have seen set key, values, entities, default, for each. Yes, for each also same only. So this is for each. You can iterate in this way also. We have seen so many ways we can iterate using first we can get the keys. Using that keys we can print. See here, using that keys we are using this key, and using this key we are printing here key and map. Or we can print using this entity set. Using this entry set we can print this one, or we can use in hand for each also. For each is again generic method, that method that is taking one argument, of by consumer. Inside this by consumer one method is there, that is accept. Inside this one two generics parameters are there, t and v. So this first one will be key, second one will be the value, and it will print. Okay, so here what we have given, one implementation here, key and value, and using this key and value just we are printing. So this one also we can use for each, so it is printing. Okay, because this for each is again accepting one by consumer reference variable, and that reference variable is a type of interface only, and that interface is a functional interface. So this lambda expression we can give. Okay, the next one is replace all. If you see, yes, so all will be replaced with ABC now. See, replace all is not okay. Yeah, I think we forgot to print replace all. What will do, it will replace all the values with this value only, if we want to take some particular condition, that also we can do. So firstly we will see, this is the actual. After that one we have applied a replace all, so it is replacing all the values with ABC only. If we want to take a particular condition, that also we can do. Suppose if key equals name, if key is name, then just you return omnivas. Okay, otherwise just return the value only. So what will be replaced now? Only the name will be replaced. Yes, only the name will be replaced, remaining I am using same. So this is the use of this replace. Yes, it's replaced only. Okay, this one is the replace. Next one is replace with old value with new value. You can use this one also, no issue. Yeah, this one only, this is the mainly we are using. Compute if absent, this one is also there. Name one is missing, so that's why it is returning ABC. Compute if absent, if name is absent, no, name is available. Name is not available, then it will return A. So like that, a number of other methods are there. but I hope you can able to use them very clearly, because that is similarly they are giving the functionality is defined with the name itself only. If compute, if present, compute if absent. If it is present, then it will return. In the case of absent, if it is absent, then it will return. If the present, then it will return that values. So this is the these are the methods that is defined into a map interface, Okay, so here we can use this hash map implementation or linked hash map implementation. What is the difference between them? If we use, suppose if you see the definition of hash map, it implement a map EV interface, sorry, KV. K stands for key and V stands for value respectively. Hash map does not allow duplicate key but allow duplicate values. Value can be duplicate. Hash map allow null key only once. Null can be allowed but only one time. Fast for searching and inserting the element. Hash map use hash table and hash function to store and search the element. Hash map no guarantee as the order of a map in particular. It does not guarantee that the order will be remain constant over the time. It is regularly similar to hash table but unsynchronized. So what is the use here? The major difference is this one. If you use hash map and you see the order, just completely comment all those. Okay, so you see the order now. What will be the order? The order is not that how you added. First you added name, but the name is the second one. If you see, second one is the date of birth, but that is coming at a first index. Email is a third, but it is coming at a last. Mobile number is a last, but it is coming at a third position. So the sequence or the order is not same how you added into map. But if you use linked hash map, the order will remain same however you added. And inside linked hash map, if you see, inside hash map, if you see, one null is allowed, one null key is allowed. I will give here null, no issue, and value I will give here xyz. Okay, and I will run this one. So one null key is allowed, and in hash map also one null key will be allowed. Yes, that is similar only, no issue. But linked hash map will maintain the insertion order. Linked hash map will maintain the insertion order. However you added, null you added fast, so it is coming a fast. You can add it a last, so now it will come at a last. Yes, but if you use hash map, the insertion order will not remain same. It will change over times. See, it is coming at a fast position, null, because this is using hash table only. Because hash map is using hash table only, and hash table is depending on hash function. What hash function, what index your hash function will return, only that index will be considered to store the entry. But linked hash map is using both hash table and linked list, doubly linked list. Using that one, it will maintain the insertion order. Okay, so this is fine. Next one is so these are the major difference between hash map and linked hash map. Linked hash map is a subtype of hash map only, and it is same as hash map, but additional feature of that maintain the insertion order. That's it. To know more about the hash table, see hash table and hashing techniques of data structure. We will learn this one. Okay, this one is fine. Next one is shorted map. What is shorted map? See, hash map and linked hash map are not the shorted order. That was not the sorted order. Sorted order is always maintained using tree map, because this tree map use tree binary search tree of a data structure to store the element, and because the binary search tree always will be maintain the order of elements. Okay, so if you see the sorted order, we are using here tree map, and inside the inside sorted map, some new methods are defined here. We will see those methods. Sorry, this is Q vector. Okay, so here in this sorted order, if you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 methods are defined here. So first what I will do, just I have created one sorted map using tree map only, because for sorted order tree map is the implementation. Okay, so here I have added name, date of birth, email and mobile number. So how the element will be sorted? The sorting of an element will be defined based on the key. So if you see, now first you added name, but it is coming a date of birth. Why date of birth? Because the order is defined as per the alphabetical order of a character. So first D, then E is coming, after E M is coming, after M N is coming. So that's why it is a defined order. And what exactly the implementation this hash tree map is using? It is using the comparable interface, because this string is implementing comparable interface. So one condition for tree map is there, that is the type of key, whatever you are giving, that should be the type of comparable. If it is not the subtype of comparable, the tree map will not sort and it will give the exception. Exception. If you see the definition of a tree map, this is a tree map. It is similar to hash map, but it is a synchronized. Synchronized mean multiple threads can access this one, but that is a thread safe. Okay, tree map store element in a sorted order. Compare to, in comparable interface, compare to method is used, because in comparable interface compare to method is there. So that compare to method only tree map is using to identify the unique element and to sort the element. Key must be the subtype of comparable. If it is not the subtype of a comparable, it will give the exception, class cast exception. Okay, and null key cannot be added. No null key. If you add null key also, it will give the error. You cannot add null key also here, because it has to compare. So it has to compare. While comparing, this need to be typecasted, but this will give null pointer exception. No, null pointer exception, you cannot give that one. Okay, so here some of the methods that are defined into this tree map. First one is a submap. Submap means using these key only it will return the map, email and mobile number. From this email, see, sub key map key means from and to means from, it will start from email and till mobile number. How many keys or entries are coming in that? So all that it will take. If suppose if you take here name, then how much will come? 3 will come. Now see, email, mobile number, email and name and mobile number, this 3 should come. From to, why it is not coming from and to? Because okay, email, mobile number. Okay, I think it is in mobile number, email. Okay, it is excluding the last one, it is excluding, it is not including. Suppose if you take from date of birth to mobile number, so date of birth and email, because mobile number it will exclude, and from date of birth to email two elements are coming. It will take, if you give here name, then three elements will come, see, date of birth, email and mobile number. Name it will exclude. Okay, so this is the meaning of a sub map only. Head map, head map means from the beginning till email, how many elements are there, but it will exclude email, so only the date of birth is there. Suppose if I will give here mobile number, then two elements will be there, date of birth and email. In the same way, tail map means, if you see email, from mobile number, email, mobile number and name, three will come, because it will include the, when you are checking for when you are getting from the tail map, so it will include mobile, email also, this key also it will be added. Suppose if I will give here mobile again, then it will come only two elements, mobile number and name, because that is shorted, no, that's why you can get that key, tail key, head key, sub map. Okay, next one is the first key. Which one is the first key, which one is the last key? First key is which one? Date of birth. Last key is name, because it is shorted, no, date of birth. Okay, so we have printed here. So this is all about the shorted map is using compare to interface, compare to method to short the element of on the basis of a key, and it is using tree data structure to store the element, we will see this one, no issue. Okay, so this is this is all about the map has these three major interfaces, major implementation: hash map, linked hash map and tree map. Concurrent hash map, if you want to use, you can use, that is a third shift, there is no other. And concurrent skip list map also is a similar for that one. Concurrent skip list map is a shorted, but concurrent hash map is not shorted, that is a not shorted. Okay, and you can use this hash table and property also, but that is what, that is a legacy implementation, that is legacy. We will see this one. So hash table, so this is a property. Yeah, so this is the property. So property is what? Property is the subtype of hash table only, and that is map or dictionary. You can use any of them. Suppose you can use in this way, or you can use map here also, no issue. Map of string and string, yeah, that is also fine. Hash table is the subtype of map only. What is the problem with this one? No, cannot convert property measures, quick fixes. Okay, I think this is the super type only, object it is. You have to give this an object only. Yes, it will work. key value 1 value key 1 value 1 key 2 value 2 key 3 value 3, like that. Okay, or you can use dictionary also. Dictionary, dictionary of object and object, that is also fine. Yes, that is also fine. This is the implementation of property. Property is the subtype of hash table. If you want to use hash table, that also you can use, that also we can use hash table. Yes, that's it, that is also fine. Yes, so this one also we can use hash table. Hash table is also again using hashing functions and hash table to store the elements only, but that is a legacy implementation. We should go for this linked hash map, hash map, linked hash map, tree map. That is the best option to use that one, but this also you can use here, no issue. Yes, this dictionary, keys, elements, enumerations, that we have already seen. Get value, get, so all these methods are also available. Remove particular element, put particular key value where, get particular key. Enumeration we have already seen. This enumeration we can use to iterate the element. Using enumeration we can iterate the keys. Is empty, it will verify whether this dictionary is empty or not. Size will return what the size of dictionary has, actually how many elements are there, and this one is you can use. Or if you want to use property, that also fine, you can use property, no issue, because in property again the subtype of hash table only, and hash table and properties hash table and properties both are the implementing dictionary and map only. Okay, so that is fine, but that is a legacy. Hash table and properties, that are the legacy implementation. Okay, so this is all about the map collection API. Map is the not subtype of collection, it is a separate one, but that is a that is utility package only. Okay, that is a collection framework only. Inside the collection framework this is coming. Okay, because and map will store the value in pair of a key value pair, and key should be unique always. One key is allowed for hash map or linked hash map, but tree map will not allow any null key, and value can be duplicate, no issue. Okay, so this one is for this map collection API, and the next session we will see, collections and arrays class. What is the use of collections and array, we will see. So I hope you like this session. Please subscribe my channel, and we will see you in the next session. Till that, bye bye, and thanks for watching.